Choose a satin or semi-gloss paint formulated for bathrooms to ensure durability and moisture resistance. Pick a high-quality acrylic latex paint labeled for bathrooms or high humidity spaces because these formulas include mildewcides and are more flexible under temperature changes. Start by assessing surfaces and always clean with a mild detergent to remove soap scum, oils, and dust so paint bonds properly. If you have new drywall or exposed joint compound, apply a full coat of a high-adhesion primer formulated for bathrooms or mold-prone areas to seal the paper facing and prevent flashing. Allow proper drying time per the manufacturer. On previously painted surfaces that show peeling or mold, scrape and sand back to sound material, treat mold with a mildew cleaner, and rinse thoroughly before painting. Use 2 full coats of finish paint rather than spot coating to get uniform film thickness and better water resistance. Work wet edge to wet edge and maintain recommended recoat windows. For ceilings, use a slightly flatter bathroom-rated ceiling paint only if ventilation is excellent, otherwise mirror wall choices for continuity and easier cleaning. Always ventilate while painting and during the first drying period because adequate air exchange speeds cure and reduces trapped moisture under the new film. Common problems are mold and mildew growth from poor ventilation, paint failure from inadequate surface preparation, and uneven appearance from using a wrong finish or applying too thin a film. Improve ventilation with a fan rated for the room size or run an exhaust fan longer after showers to lower humidity and reduce mold risk. For surface issues, remove loose paint and contaminants, then use a bonding primer on marginal substrates so the top coat adheres and lasts. If the finish looks streaky or shows lap marks, change to a higher quality roller or brush, maintain a wet edge, and ensure you apply 2 full coats at the manufacturer recommended spread rate. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors get leads that match their skill set. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share experiences, product recommendations, and real-world tips about bathroom paint and moisture control.